From the start, the kitchen in Chelsea's house was obviously one of the biggest challenges. Besides the fact that it was small, it was awkwardly arranged, and the appliances, surfaces, and materials were at least a generation or two out of date. It was bland and, frankly, a little depressing. But now her kitchen is a bright and inviting space. No square footage has been added, but the whole area feels a lot larger because we've opened it up to the sunroom, making both spaces more comfortable and functional. The vintage character of the new cabinets and fixtures fits the house to a T. And the use of beadboard adds to that feel and brightens up both the sunroom and the kitchen. I have removed many walls between a kitchen and a living space, and it always has such a big impact on any house. I bet you had no idea your little kitchen would end up feeling this large.
No, I really didn't. And even just taking the original kitchen, the footprint, it's the same footprint, but just this section seems so much bigger. But then you have this whole other space connected to it. It just flows really great.